So you've already mentioned like memory underlies basically everything we do. It's our behavior, relationships, careers. And we're all learning from the experiences that we've had and we're retaining that information. But it's also something that a lot of us do take for granted. You've mentioned that some people have problems with it and it's also quite complicated. Could you give us a bit of a whistle-stop tour of our current understanding of how memory works?
So it's such a big topic. I'll try to reduce it to a few key points. But one of the key ideas is that memories are thought to be stored, so to speak, in through connected networks of neurons, which are the basic cells that are doing the computing in the brain. And so what we think happens is when you speak, when you feel something, when you see something, there are groups of neurons that are activated that allow you to have these conscious experiences or even unconscious experiences, things like your heart racing when something scares you. And so when we have these experiences, the changes, there are changes in the connections between these neurons. And so that's what you'd call plasticity. And those changes allow a group of cells that were active during an event to become more easily activated again later, even when that event isn't taking place. So if I could activate some of the neurons in this cell assembly, is what we call them, from this conversation, presumably through these strengthened connections, the other neurons could be brought into play. And so it only takes me a small cue to be able to pull up the entire network of neurons that are part of this memory. So that's like kind of the very whistle stop tour, I guess, but then you can certainly go deeper than that into all the